So welcome back again. This is TJ with Colorado Premier Garage Doors and Gate Systems here in Denver, Colorado. This here on my right is Mr. Keith. Say hi, Keith. How you doing? What we have here is a single swing application. Go ahead and close that up for us, Keith. It is run by a LA 412 on a solar panel. It's a picketed overlay gate, just standard to match the existing fence. There are no safety features on this gate. There's a wireless keypad control and a receiving post. We'll take you to the inside of this property. Gates in Colorado sit nominally 5 to 7 inches above grade for average snowfall. This gate is very quiet, smooth running operation. Go inside. We also installed the Carriage house garage door here. And it talks with the gate operator itself. Go ahead and close it up for me, Keith. There's the property owner, Mr. David. How do you like your gate?
It's great, thank you.
You're welcome.
You did a good job.
Thank you. So very simple design here, just a standard picketed fence. It is a pull to open application. You can see that it does require 1 foot for the operator to actually articulate in. Here's the control panel with the wireless antenna. Solar panel up above. It's a battery operated system. Mounted on a steel frame with 5-inch heavy duty serviceable barrel hinges. Okay, Keith, you can go ahead and open her up for us. Again, very smooth. One of the quietest openers on the market today. And you can reach us here in Denver, Colorado at 303-458-5600. Thanks again for watching.